Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks related on job searching point of view. If you are really looking the job and if you are not able to find the recruiter email or company HR email or the specific project investigator email. So in this video, we will see how to find out very easily any of recruiter email, and you can drop him directly your covering letter, resume if he or she shortlisted you. So definitely you receive this job. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration on laptop screen. So simply open Google and just type here Clearbit Connect and enter. This is a Google Chrome extension as well as separate website. You can use this extension and very easily find any business email address for free. Click here. Look at this here. Find any email in under 5 seconds. It's really interesting. You just simply install, add a Google Chrome extension. I already added this link in video description. Before using, we need to provide authentication for free. So I use my email address here and welcome. Open Gmail and try. After that, I download and connect. Enable notification. So look at this here, top of the screen, Clearbit. I click here and after that, find. Okay, so you just simply type here the company name. I simply type here Musk, enter. Specific role, you just simply search here engineering, and after that executive director or manager. So we contact with directly manager because of manager are hiring. So look at this here, bunch of manager name is coming here. I just simply click here Stephen Martin and look at this, get email address and click 99 credit I have remaining. So copy this email address and if I put it here, so look at this, his email address I am receiving, and accordingly I will write him email personally and very easily receive the job. Look at this here, Vaishnavi, he is also senior data engineer. If I copy this one, copy this email address and I put it here, so look at this here, he is a particular email address comes here musk.com. so we can very easily receive any of recruiter email address of any company like Musk, Amazon, Google, which person email address you want. Accordingly you search and share your covering letter or resume directly on the manager, director or executive person. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.